Hello guys, welcome to Top 10. Today I'll be showing you how you can create YouTube videos with no efforts by using two AIs. One is ChatGPT and the other one is pictoryai. So first of all, we'll open any browser. In our case, I'm going with Google Chrome. And now we'll go to ChatGPT, OpenAI. What I usually do is first I interact with ChatGPT so that I'll get related result to my prompt. So what I'll do is I have a YouTube channel named Top 10. So what it will do is, because we are creating a video for YouTube, so we'll be asking ChatGPT for a script. So if you interact with ChatGPT that you have a YouTube channel, so what it will do is it will add an intro and outro to your script. So that will be beneficial to your video. But today I'll be taking a topic of top 10 superfoods in India with their benefits. So this is our topic. So I'll just give a prompt like write a script for my channel on top 10 super foods in India and their benefits. Now to it I'll add keep the tone witty and add interesting facts in between. Sound like human. Let's see. Just go through the script. If you don't like the script, you can change your prompt, but in most of the cases you will like the output. So here you can see that it is giving us a proper script. Our channel name is also included in the intro and suggesting animations, which animations to add to which scene. It has also added some facts and it is sounding like real script. So what we will do is we'll just wait for the script to be completed and then we'll move on to pictory.ai to see how we can convert this script into a interacting video. And one more thing, like here it has stopped because ChatGPT has a word limit. So what you need to do is just type continue and it will continue. What you can do is, if you have Windows, you can use Word, and currently I don't have Word installed in my MacBook, so what I'll do is I'll just use Google Docs. We'll just copy the whole thing. Okay, we'll go to pictory.ai, and just for your knowledge, pictory.ai is a paid service, but for trial purpose you can make up to 3 videos, but they will have watermark on it, and after, if you like the output, you can always purchase it. The plans are also very much cost efficient. Okay, so I'll just now we have come to pictory.ai. You will see an interface like this. So we are doing script to video, so we'll proceed in this, and these are other options which you can try, but we are continuing to script to video because we have a script which we have generated from ChatGPT. Now what we will do is we'll just simply select all our script and paste it here, and it will automatically generate a video. Whatever it will do is it will create small fragments of videos and add appropriate content to that portion. So they have lots of templates. You can choose from it or you can create your own. So what I would do is I'd like a simple one. Okay, it is empty. So we'll be selecting the simplest one. Okay, this one. And we are making this video for YouTube, so we'll be choosing 16:9, YouTube's default aspect ratio. Now Pictory.AI is creating a video, so a bit of patience is required here. Depending on the complexity of video script, this process will take time and your internet connection also. Completed processing our script into video. So now what we'll do is we'll give this video taste of our own. So what we can do is we can change font, we can add effect, you can customize it in many ways. Text. Okay, so this looks good. So what I'll do is I'll apply it to all. Animated animation. I'm going to choose typewriter. It would be only on entry, and we will remove host from it. Okay. Oh, this scene is matching. This is also matching. This is all. Pictory is not understanding the term amla. So what we'll do is we'll just go to Google and click on images, click on tools, usage right, and select Creative Commons license. So by selecting this license, you are reducing your risk of copyright claims on your channel, because these are stock images. So we'll choose any one of it and upload it to Pictory, and then we can put this image instead of that stock video. So I'm going with this one. Download. Go to pictory.ai, go to visuals, my uploads, downloads. Here it is. We'll just save it. Now we'll just click on it and this will be there, and in settings you can do visual zoom and pan, so it will slightly move. Go through all the scenes, because if I'll be doing all the scenes, the video will be a bit long, so I'll be skipping that thing. You can go ahead and repeat the steps by deleting unneeded fragments which have been created into scenes. And if you have your channel logo or anything like that, you can also add that thing. I'll be adding my channel logo to my videos, and I would like it in the left corner. It will appear throughout the video. You can add voiceover to your videos. So like we have a script, so the voice which we like and the voice which we select will read out our script, and it will look like a human. So as this is a video on Indian superfood, so I'll be selecting a Indian voice. It's perfect for my video. I'll just select this one, and background music is also suitable. So after going through all the scenes and make sure that each scene is matching with your script and contents are matching, then you can click on preview, see whether if there are any change needed or not. For this video, I think everything is okay, as this is for just to show you how you can get started with ChatGPT and Pictory.AI. So I'll just click on download and let's see how the video has came up.
Hi and welcome to Top 10, where we explore the top 10 superfoods in India and their amazing health benefits. From boosting your immune system to improving digestion, these superfoods are packed with nutrients that can keep you feeling healthy and energized. So let's dive in. Number 10 on our list is turmeric. This
You can see that the video is YouTube ready. You can upload this, but to upload a video you need good looking thumbnail. In the next video I'll be showing how you can create eye-catching thumbnail by using a free site or software. So thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.